Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to report a map issue in the Waze app in 2026. Now, did you notice that a road address or turn is incorrect in the Waze app? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to report this issue so it can be reviewed and corrected. But before we start, the Waze app is available in the App Store and also in the Play Store. So if you want to download this app, make sure to download it from the store so you can make your driving experience much easier. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to report a map issue in the Waze app. Now the first thing you want to do is to open the Waze app and start your navigation. Now when you're in a safe situation to interact with your phone, you're going to have to tap the report icon on the map. Make sure you're parked or ask a passenger to operate on your phone. Then you're going to swipe up to open the full reporting menu. As you can see, there's an icon for the reporting menu. It's the yellow triangle with the plus button here. We're going to click on it. Let's see here. Once you click on it, you're going to see all these options right here. Waze will give you several options. You can report a general map error, an incorrect turn, an incorrect address, or an incorrect route. And also choose the option that best describes what you found. And if necessary, tap the add a comment and provide additional information. This could help. This could help explain the problem. Then go back to the previous screen and tap send. And then your report will be sent to the Waze for review by its map editing community. And that's it. Reporting incorrect maps information helps keep Waze accurate for everyone. And if today's tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.